today we've got a Ferrari 812 in, covered head to toe in PPF, so we can't go absolutely wild with the paintwork. So it's going to be a nice simple maintenance wash. Something to watch out for are the brake discs. They are ceramic, so we can't really use wheel and tire cleaner or any aggressive chemicals. It's going to have to be wheel soap and just a general nice easy maintenance wash. A nice easy start to the week. So yeah, let's start off with the wheels and get into this. Right, so the owner has told us that the car is PPF right from the front to the back, and I've double checked, and indeed it is. So that means we can't really do much polishing or anything like that. So it is, as I said, a maintenance wash. So the next stage is now to tackle the snow foam. Right, that's the snow foam all completed. Now onto the contact wash. We're using our wash pad, the shampoo and the 2 buckets, and yeah, just like any other car. So that's the shampoo stage done. 2 buckets, shampoo and the wash pad. Now we're going to put down a little bit of protection on the PPF, so a bit of ceramic boost all over the car, give it that little bit of protection and obviously make rinsing and drying much easier. Right, so we've pulled in the car inside. Yesterday it was getting extremely hot, so we quickly got it inside out of the sun and quickly dried it. But there's a little bit of spotting here and there. So we're going to tidy it all up, get some protection down. We'll probably put down our ceramic spray wax, sort out the trim, glass is a bit smeary, and sort out the interior. Just all like the finishing bits and pieces. As I said, PPF front to back, so we can't polish it, but we can certainly add some of that protection. on there on what is a very, very big car. The interior was pretty good condition, but we decided to give it a little wet vac just to lift it up and make it absolutely perfect for the owner. So that is the 812 detail complete, and of course we had to take it outside for the final finishing shots, but in typical Sans detailing fashion and typical Yorkshire fashion, it started to rain. But it doesn't matter because you guys get to see these awesome beading shots. I think this is probably the most embarrassed I've ever been.